Hi, my dear well wishers, and hope you all are well. And as you can see, this is Mukul Hossain once again. And as you can see, I am in a different field. I am in a different paddy field. As I came to my village, that's why I have come to this place to make a wonderful video. I want to give you a wonderful, very essential message by making this video. Yeah, so as you can see, there are so many farmers are busy right now because it's a time, it is monsoon. It is border season. So you don't know the what is the meaning of border seasons. As I am a son of a farmer, that's why I know very well what is called or what is border season. So it's a monsoon. That's why the farmers are busy to cultivate different crops from this field, from this open field. So few days ago they cultivate these same crops, and after taking these crops from this open field, and they are busy to cultivate another, getting getting another crops from this open field. That's why the farmers are busy to cultivate their another crops from this into this open field, right? They cultivate basically right seedling. They cultivate, or they are planting rice seedling. They are planting rice to get a wonderful crops from this open field. Yeah, in this video, I love to share with you one thing. I used to do this work with my father. So when I lived in village, I used to do this work with my father. But now I can't do this work after a long time, for a long time. But one day I did it for a long time with my father. Now I can't do this work for long time. Why? Because I don't have practice right now. That's why I don't have practice. That's why I can't do this work for a long time. So here, point to be noted, practice. So if you want to learn English, then you have to practice. Let's say I had a great experience to do this work, but as I don't have practice, that's why I can do this work for a long time. So spoken English is like that. You are going to learn English, or you want to learn English, but you don't want to practice, you don't want to pay your time. So how is possible, man? So you have to pay your time, you have to spend your time, then you will be able to learn English like this farmer, right? So the farmers have planted this right seedling, and after 2 or 3 months, even 3 or 4 months, they will get their success means they will get crops from this paddy field, from this rice, right? So here you have to remember, it's a long process. You are going to learn English, but you don't want to spend your time. So how is it possible? So you have to spend 2 or 3 months, or 6 months is better than 3 months. You have to spend because it's a foreign language, man. You don't you will unable to learn English overnight. So you have to practice day and night. You have to take it more serious. You have to take it full-time jobs, not you will take it as a part-time job. So most of the learners take it as a part-time job. So it is possible for you to learn English? No. You think that, if you think that when I will get time, at the time I will practice my spoken English, so it is possible? No. You have to manage your time for spoken English, then you will be able to learn English. So, and you have to make another thing, you have to make a loads of mistake, and from that mistake, from this mistake, you have to learn new things, but never give up, right? So it doesn't matter you are going to learn English as a beginner, you will make a lots of video. Even I can make a lots of video right now, though I can't probably speaking, but I do a lots of mistake. But it doesn't matter. I have to practice my spoken English. I have to learn English. Then that's why I have to practice. There is no any other substitute way to learn English without practice, right? Practicing. So that's why you need to practice more and more. So if you want to get proper results, right? So this is the message that I wanted to give you, those who are learners, especially those who love to learn English. So in this way, you have to practice. Yeah, I can speak English probably, but I want to speak English more fluently like native speaker. That's why day and night I practice. I am practicing my spoken English because I want to see myself in the next level. So there are so many speakers in Bangladesh, but I want to enlist it in the top 10 list. That's why I am practicing my spoken English. Though I am a son of a farmer, so if I can do this, if I can speak English, so why not you can speak English? So lastly, I want to say you have to practice, you have to manage your time, you have to find the time when you will practice and how you will practice. So first of all, you have to manage your time, and then you have to take a decision. What is the purpose that you are going to learn English? Where you will use it? So if you will be able to do this thing, then you will be perfect to learn English. Let's say if you want to learn English for communication, so your learning process will be different. And if you think that I am going to learn English for competitive exam, or I'm going to learn English for academic purpose, I mean grammatical item, then you have to learn in a different way. So as you are learning spoken English, that's why I will give you a message that you have to practice and you have to manage your time, you have to take it more serious, and you have to of course take it a full-time job. So this is it that I want to give you as a message. So yeah, if you follow this technique, if you follow this process, you will be able to learn English within a short time. Yeah, let's see. Today I don't want to make it more longer. Let's see what can I do you for the next time. Allah Hafiz.